I'm going to suggest to you is that you stop the video right there, pause it, look at those 3 questions, give them a try, and then continue running the video so you can see what the answers would be. Alright, so I'm assuming that you stopped it, you did this once, and now let's look at the first one. 3x squared plus 15x plus 18. What is the first step for factoring? Checking for common factor. Is there a common factor here? And the answer is yes. I can take out a 3. X squared plus 5x plus 6. And notice something. This looked like it was going to be a complex trinomial, but it's not. It was actually a simple trinomial in disguise. For simple trinomials, we have the little shortcut that I need 2 numbers that multiply to x, two numbers that multiply to 6 and add up to 5. Since they're both positive, I know they both would be positive, so that's going to be 3 and 2. Well, look, that's the end of it. So just checking that there's common factor, I made my life a lot easier, and I always should check for that. Okay, question number 5. I will check for common factor too. 9 and 42, actually this 3 goes into both of them, but 49 is not divisible by 3, so there's no common factor. So I'm going to need, let's see, 9x squared. So it's either 3x and 3x or is 9 and 1. I'm going to check 3x and 3x. So 3x, 3x. 2 numbers that multiply across. Well, 49 is an interesting number, and hopefully you recognize that's like 7 times 7. I'm just going to check 7 and 7. There's no common factor with this guy, so it's okay. That's a 21 and 21. Well, 21 and 21 give me 42, but I need negative 42, so that must be minus and a minus. So this means that this is 3x minus 7 and 3x minus 7. Now I can't leave that answer like that because those 2 brackets are exactly the same. So I need to go one more step. I'm going to put this aside, and then my answer is 3x minus 7 squared. Now if you have done the special cases, you would have recognized this right away. Actually, you can jump from here to here by a little trick that you find out how to do perfect squares. If you don't want to do that trick, well, you're just going to go do the long way and eventually end up with the same answer. And lastly, question number 6 here, I have 8x squared plus 2x minus 15. We check for a common factor one more time. 8, 2, and 15, there's no common factor, so it's a complex trinomial. Now 8x, I don't know, that could be 4x and 2 or 8 and 1. I don't know what to try. I'm going to go here on the side. I'm going to try 8 and 1 first. And 15. Well, 15 would be 3 and 5, or let's do 3 and 5. 3 and 5, that, there's no common factor, so I need to try it. That's 40 and 3. With 40 and 3, can I make 2? No. Well, what about 5 and 3? Well, 24 and 5. 24 and 5, I cannot make this one either, so that didn't work. With 15 and 1, I'm going to get 8 and 15. Well, let's try it. 1 and 15. 15 and 1. 8 and 15 is, I don't know, but it's a very large number, and I cannot make 2. And 15 and 8, I cannot make 2, so 8x didn't work out. So I'm going to try 4x and 2x. I guess I use the same number, so 3 and 5. There's no common factor, so I need to try them. So that's 20 and 6, I can't make 2. What if it's 5 and 3? So that's 12 and 10. Hey, with 12 and 10, I can make 2. I know that both numbers, one is positive, one is negative, and therefore if I make, that's positive, so I need to make positive 12 minus 10. So the positive 12 comes from here, the minus 10 comes from there, and our answer should be 4x minus 5 and 2x plus 3. That's my bottom bracket, right? And then I check. 4x times 2x gives me 8x squared. Check. Minus 5 times 3 gives me minus 15. Check. And here's the real check. Minus 10 plus 12 gives me positive 2x. And therefore we have an answer for all our questions.